Hey, Shane Thomas here. Welcome back. We're doing another review on a couple of more sessions on the Partner with Anthony program. So today I'm going to go over session 11 and 12 with you just to give you a little bit of an idea of what's still included in this massive training program that you're getting for $7. I mean, really. Okay, so session 11, what matters? Basically, what we're talking about here is he gets into your attitude, your mindset. How you're putting your stuff together is kind of important in here. Being sales focused, again, that's the whole purpose of what you're looking at is you're trying to make sales, right? Module 3, solo ads, swaps, and free traffic. So solo ads are probably the best way to start out in affiliate marketing or any digital marketing for that matter, versus free traffic. I mean, once you get the solo ads up and running and you get your email list starting to get built, then you're going to be working towards some free traffic. Networking, of course, networking works for everything. It doesn't matter what business you're in or what you're doing. Networking is a very important key to meet with other people, get in different ideas and plans. And the art you self-made, that's you. It's your business. You're making the decisions. Yay or nay, it all depends on what you're doing. So this is a great module just to reinforce that sort of idea with you. And then we're getting into session 12 here. And what you've got is optimizing your thank you page. Now, what we're talking here is basically a few things you can add to your thank you page to make it a little better, i.e., a little scarcity with the timers. There's other valuable little tips and techniques that he talks about in here. Thank you page, optimizing it again. When someone decides they want to leave your thank you page, you have a pop-up that gives another chance to get in there and reinforce that they really need to purchase or follow up with your leads that you're giving them. Eliminating your thank you page. Now, this is something you don't want to do it at the start. You want to use the thank you page, but it's along the lines where with the thank you page, you're basically losing sometimes a little bit of traffic when you go back and forth between your opt-in page, your thank you page, and then you're taking them to the actual sales page. So not recommended you eliminate your thank you page for at least he recommends 500 clicks or 500 opt-ins in here. Make sure that your opt-in page is really performing well and getting people in. Then maybe you might be thinking about changing it. Getting inside information every month, that's an opportunity. You can, Anthony has lots of different little programs that you can get into and find out some more information about, and these are great. Um, Something definitely to think about. Again, subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the notifications and the likes, and please leave me a comment. And I'll be looking forward to seeing some of those comments. And we'll talk to you soon with the next couple of sessions. In the meantime, take care.